Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you. Your guys' favorite impact driver comparison video. So I just got the Kimo Impact driver off of Amazon. We're gonna go over all the features of this bad boy, all the batteries, the specs, and compare it against one of these impact drivers. So stick around the end. I got some new testing we're gonna do that you've only seen once on the channel before, and nobody else on the internet has done this testing with the impact driver. So stick around, guys. It's gonna be a good one. Hit that intro. Alright guys, so here it is. Now this is the Kimo Impact driver. It comes as a kit on Amazon. It comes with a hard blow molded case. It comes with a variety of different bits and one 2 amp hour battery and a strap which you can put on the case and carry it over your shoulder. I think it goes for 89 bucks on Amazon. So this is a budget impact driver. Now this is not a professional grade Milwaukee. This is just a DIY, it's kind of like a Ryobi type impact driver. Now it has 3 speeds and it is brushless, guys. So first speed, 0 to 1600 RPMs. Second speed is 0 to 2100 RPMs. And third is up to 2800 RPMs. Now it claims that it has 3300 beats, blows per minute or impacts per minute. That's pretty high. I think Milwaukee is 3600. That's right up there. Let's see here. It says it has 300 Newton meters of torque. I'm not sure what the conversion is. I think that's right around 1500 inch-pounds. I'll put that up on the screen here. I'll look it up. Let's see. It is a 20 volt tool. It does have 3 modes right here. So high is 3 lights, low is 1, of course medium is 2, and then 3. It has LED right here in the front. Comes with a belt clip. The LED indicator on the batteries is a little bit different. It has 4 different colors. You see that? It has red, yellow, green, and blue. I thought that was kind of interesting. Belt hook. It comes with the smaller battery, this one, but I got this one as well. So I haven't used it for the last week to do different tasks around the house, working on the truck with it and stuff. It's not a bad little impact driver, guys. So which one should we put up against to do the test? So Milwaukee's king of the crop. We're definitely not going to put up against Milwaukee. We're not going to do the oil impulse drivers. I think since Makita is like the second most powerful, we're definitely not going to do it against Makita. What do you think, guys? Out of these ones, I feel like we should go up against the Hyper Tough. I've gotten a lot of requests to do budget impact drivers. This is the budget impact driver at Walmart. This is the budget impact driver on Amazon. And just because they're under $100 does not mean that they're bad tools. I think we'll do these two head to head and see how they fare. Alright guys, for the testing, we have a scissors jack. What we're going to do is put this underneath my truck, and we have a 1-inch socket, goes on the end, and we're going to see which tool can raise up the truck the highest. Now, the scissor jack has a resting height of 4.5 inches, and then it has a max height of 18 inches. So whichever one can get the highest is going to win, okay? And then we have some spack screws. Put them into the 6x6 post. We'll do probably 5 of them, see which one has the best time will be the winner. Alright guys, let's go over the truck and do some lifting. Alright guys, so this is underneath the truck. It's kind of a weird angle. Hope you have a good point of view. We have the jack just setting on the bottom of the truck. We're going to hit the go button here and see how much it can go up. We're going to start off with the 2 on the Kimo, and then we'll try the 4. Alright. We are on high, fully charged the battery. Ready, go. That was freaking amazing. It's maxed out. There's a little tab right here. I didn't think it could do it. And even at the end, I had to let it go a little bit because it was going too fast. That was freaking crazy. All right, now we're gonna lower it back down and we're gonna do the Hyper Tough. All right, this is fully charged up. There's no indicator on the battery. So let's see if the little Hyper Tough can do it. Ready, get set, go. Holy crap, the Hyper Tough is able to max it out too. That just blows my mind. I didn't think these guys could do it. That's nuts. Alright, we got the 4 amp hour battery on the Chemo. Let's see if this one can beat the Hyper Tough, because I feel like the Hyper Tough did it faster with the 2 than this one. So let's try it again. Okay, ready? Go. Time. It's maxed out. Still full bars too. It's crazy. Still full bars on the 2. Didn't drain either one of them at all with that test. That's pretty impressive. Alright, so first we have the Hyper Tough. We're going to see how fast it can sink these 5 spaxes. Ready? Start the clock. 1, 2, 3, go. Not bad. All right, let's pull them out and try the Chemo. All right, we got them all pulled out. See fresh spots, so you don't think we're cheating at all. You guys can see that this was a brand new, unused section of 6x6. All right, on high. Battery's still fully charged up. On your marks. Hit set, go. Fully charged up. Ready, get set, go. See, I really hate this frickin' hex tip because you always fumble with it. So it might have to take like a half a second off for all these because Every time I do it, I seem to fumble a little bit. Battery's still fully charged up. Overall, I feel like Kimo is slightly faster. Now this is a brush and this is a brushless, but what are you gonna do, right? It's the closest one I had. They're both around the same, 1,500 inch-pounds of torque. What was I gonna say? This really surprised me on the freaking jacklift test, and this one too. I didn't think they could do it because I did this test a year or two ago on my old Ford truck, and I think it was the Makita, could barely do it. So it kind of blew my mind that they're able to do it. Let's see what else with the Kimo. I don't know, guys, it's not a bad little budget impact driver. For under $100 you get a blow molded case, charger, battery. My one gripe, I will say with this though, the charger is very slow. It's like, come on guys. You throw in a freaking triple charger. So that's my one gripe, is that the charger isn't very good. But other than that, I seem to like it. I've had it now, I think, for a couple weeks. I've been using it on the truck, like I said. 3-speed. It's light. Time will tell. I'll definitely do a review on this in 6 months to a year to see if it's still going or not. So I honestly couldn't tell you the longevity of it because we've only had it for a couple weeks. But it's not a bad little tool. I do like it. So I actually contacted Chemo on Amazon. And if you guys want to get one of these kits and help out the channel, I'll put the 15% off promo code right here. Wherever. Check it out. So, just real quick. With the affiliate links in Amazon, say this is $100, right? I get 8% if you bought one through there. So I would get $8. Now Amazon lowered that down, so I'd only get 3% now. So say this is $100, I would get $3 off the sale for my affiliate links. So Amazon totally cut all our affiliate money down to 3%, which is a joke. So it's like, thanks Amazon. Anyways guys, promo link down below if you want to pick one up. Not a bad little impact driver to have it on the shop. Give the channel a like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends. Lots of good stuff coming, guys. Got lots of impact drivers coming. I think I'm actually going to do a Milwaukee against Cobalt. Somebody said they want to see Milwaukee and Cobalt. So stick around for that. I'll probably have that out in the next couple of days as well. Much love, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't let Rona get you. Until next time, guys. See ya.